Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Hedge. Today we'll take another look into the charts and let's see what's going on. We're starting with the Google searches, the Google trends, and we can see the search term buy Bitcoin is rising again, back to like 2017 levels, and that is really good. We had a really big blow off top over here, yeah, we're not there yet, but we're growing, so that is very good. Taking a look at the S&P 500 and the dollar, and we can see the dollar is about to bounce. I think the local bottom might be in for the dollar. Yeah, Nasdaq Top 100 is doing very good as well. Why do we look at the dollar? Well, let's zoom out a little bit to take a closer look. This is where we had the 2017 bull run for Bitcoin. And right now we're over here. So we've seen like the same downfall of the dollar while the Bitcoin bull run hit. So yeah, right now I think, this is the weekly and this is a reversal doji. Also we have this trend line that's broken on the daily. So yeah, we might see a bounce for the dollar. They could bounce up until here, or this lows, test this resistance over here. So that could cause for a little bit of a pullback in the stock market and in crypto. S&P 500, like I said, this is the daily chart, really bullish, breakout, all-time highs. I mean, yeah, let's watch out, because a correction is coming. That's what I think, but it can, we're in price discovery, so everything can happen. Bitcoin CME futures chart, they're closed in the week. Usually if they gap, the gaps get filled quite fast, just like it did over here. We had a gap, and just 2 days later we had a massive drop filling that gap. There are still some gaps below it. Some people try to short that to fill a gap close. Over here we have the Parabolic Chart with our fundings and premiums. If you do not know about fundings and premiums, let me know in the comments. I gladly explain it to you in the comments, or I will make a separate video about it. Please let me know in the comments if you know what I mean with the funding and premium indicator. So right now we are still seeing premiums, still seeing high fundings. They're coming down with this small little drop on the 4 hour. A little bit of a trend break. We will take a better look into that. But we can see, usually when funding rates get low, you buy. It's as simple as that. And I think the drop won't come now, because too many people think, it broke down, I'm shorting this. Well, that's not always how it works. If everybody shorts it, yeah, we're not gonna break down. Closer look over here. This is what I'm talking about, this little breakdown over here. We had it over here. You can draw it on multiple time frames, but it was a pretty clear breakout. And yeah, this is the Bitstamp chart, and Bitstamp is one of the only ones had this massive drop down there. Let me show you guys over here. By the way, I'm having a new microphone. Yeah, over here we can correctly see the difference. Here, Bitstamp had a massive drop, high volume as well. Other exchanges didn't do that. Like I said, I have a new microphone. Let me know what you guys think of the quality. Is it better or is it worse? My microphone broke since, yeah, it fell. And yeah, so I had to get a new one. That's why I didn't have a video yesterday, so that is that. These are basically the levels we are stuck in between. Either side of those breaks, that's probably the direction we will go. Like I said, this is the level to watch. That is around 38,500, I would say. Level to watch right now. I'm predicting up since people are starting to short it, betting on a breakdown. And yeah, this trend line did indeed break. Yeah, it's not really a problem, I would say. Also, we have this trend line breaking. Parabolas can't go up forever, and yeah, we're seeing that right now. I'm still targeting upside, targeting another tap on this one. Maybe a little flush, to shake out some people. Ethereum, new all-time highs last night. On a daily, target for me is still $1,400 or $1,500, something in between that. Depends on what chart you're looking at. let's zoom into the hourly. Like, I mean, earlier in the year we had this massive rising wedge, broke to the upside, very bullish. What is next? This just looks very bullish to me. I will remove everything so you guys can have a more clear picture. We're having a rising wedge over here. Would see this one as a fake out. And this one. And we are just partying in this rising wedge. Very important levels these are. Recent highs. And you can see the price reacting to that. Right now I would say these are important levels, and on a lower time frame this is also an important level. But right now we're doing good. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and as long as you keep putting those higher lows, you know, we're bullish. Higher highs as well. Now, I mean, little corrections are okay. Right now, I mean, we're tightening pretty much. This is something I would see. Let me know how you guys chart and if you like my type of charting. Ethereum, BTC, looking very good over here. This was the yearly high over there. And we had a little bit of a fake out to the downside. And right now we are at a very important level right here. Target, of course, is the yearly high over there. But it's looking very good over here. These are important levels. These highs over here and these highs. So yeah, that is basically it. Bullish pattern, looking very good over there. Aave, we looked at it earlier last week, I think. Very bullish, we're on the daily candles. Aave is looking very, very, very good over here. I would say they break out of this rising wedge, and that is very bullish. EOS had a little bit of a fake out. I would say they faked out some levels and they dumped on it like last night. Playing with leverage on altcoins is never a good idea, and this is one of the examples why. Please stay away with leverage from altcoins, because you will get hurt. If you trade with some leverage, make sure you use one of these sign-up links. I prefer Bybit. If you use Bybit, let me know. I have a present for you, a nice PDF with all the trading tips and hacks I use to be very profitable. Anything else? Yeah, fundings are coming down, especially on Bybit, and we can see over here all the predicted fundings. This is the predicted, are all coming down. So that would tell me, you know, we're getting close to the bottom. Also, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and yeah, like in the video description, all the sign-up links are there as well. If you use one of my sign-up links, I have a nice PDF for you with all the trading tips and tricks and hacks. Definitely will make you a better trader, definitely will make you more profitable. And yeah, that is about it. I mean, the coming few hours are all about, for me, about the CME Open, the Dixie Open. What will it do? What will the S&P 500 do? They open in about 6-7 hours from now, and will they gap up? Then, like if the S&P 500 gaps up, you buy Bitcoin. You buy it immediately and you add some leverage. If it goes down, however, you sell. That's as easy for me as it can be. It's basically free money on a Sunday evening, Sunday night for me, since, well, you can hear my accent. And yeah, short term, I'm bullish. I think this was the bottom. Next leg is up again. And yeah, I mean, if you want to know the reversal, you know, for Bitcoin, for stocks, look at the Dixie. If the Dixie starts bouncing hard, that might already be the end of the bull run for crypto. So that's how I look at it. Right now, I don't think the dip is coming. Everything is looking very good. Ethereum is looking very strong as well. If you want to buy some spot, I think Ethereum maybe is the better place to buy over here. So that is about it. Let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe. Let me know what you think, what you want to know. And yeah, let me know if you know what I mean with the premium and funding and that stuff. So see you guys again tomorrow.